Hello. Like you maybe know, the internet hottest design couple right now is Canva and Affinity, and they work together perfectly. And now it's much easier to do custom Canva frames than ever before. And I thought I will do a little tutorial for you guys. So first thing, you open Affinity, your vector Affinity. I have added my custom shape here already. How you can do custom shape is one is with this pen tool on vector Affinity pen tool, and you just do whatever shape you like it to be. Then second one, I will delete this one because this is the custom pen shape. The second one is if you go, you see the rectangle tool, but here is little triangle here. Click and hold, and Affinity has its own custom shapes. Let's get something complicated like cog tool. Hold down Shift and drag the cog. This is the second way to do the custom shape. And the third way, you go to Pixel up here, click on Pixel, choose rectangle marquee tool, click and hold, and you see freehand selection tool. Select that, draw your shape, and it can be whatever you like it to be. Whatever. So now under the marquee tool is fill tool, and again you see this little rectangle, click and hold, and you see float fill tool. Select that one. Select black on the color, click on it. Oh, sorry. So, first you have to go to layers on the right panel, layers, and this checkboard icon. You see pixel layer. Click on that. Now you have pixel layer, and fill it. Now you can click Command D to unselect it. But we have a problem. This is a pixel, but Canva wants vector. Here's an easy fix for you. Go to menu bar. Where is vector? Click on it and choose image trace. Then adjust the sliders however you see fit. Okay, now it's triangle. Let's take it back. Adjust the sliders and apply. Now it's you see on the layer window, here's group. Click on it. Then on Mac, Command Shift D. Oh, sorry, Command Shift G. And you see curves. Now it's curves. Let's go back to vector. Now you can put whatever picture inside it because right now it's not important. It's just for placeholder, and even this is in Affinity very easy. If you don't want to put your own picture from computer inside those. Go window, then layout, and stock. And this window pops up and stock. And here is your Pixabay and Pexel. And you can type whatever you want on the search bar. Let's let's do rainforest. Now it chooses the picture, and let's all. Okay, I understand. And now you just have to drag it on here. Let's use only one picture. Now let's scale it down. And how you get the picture inside your vector element is easy to, let me show you. Now select your picture that you want inside your vector element, and just drag it to your vector element, not on this thumbnail, but where this text is. You see, drag it here, and now it's inside the your custom frame. Now let's do others too. Click, drag. Oh, sorry. Click, drag. Click and drag. And now the hardest part is done. On the top right corner, you see where this question mark is. Next to this is export PNG. Click on this little arrow next to it. And then for me, here is already Canva because I put it here. But if you don't see it, click on this plus icon, scroll down, and you can see Canva design, and you can check it. And now choose Canva and export. It thinks a little bit. Then it opens your work right in Canva. Now click on the custom frame, right click, detach image, delete. Next one, detach, delete, and delete. And now, oh yeah, it does this those shapes, black shapes behind the frame. You can delete those two. You don't need them. And you have your custom frames inside the Canva. No saving to PDF, no using the Photopea or Photoshop or doing any magic to get the custom frames in Canva. Affinity and Canva works together perfectly. See? Oh, sorry. You have your custom frames. I hope this video helped you and you liked it. Maybe you even click on the like button, and if it's not too much trouble, maybe even subscribe. I'm doing this Affinity layout series right now, how to use Affinity layout, and I hope we see each other again. Bye!